Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the lenses on your Oakley Frogskins. So as you can see, I have these Frogskins over here and the lenses are in pretty bad condition at this point. You have some layer which is peeling off right here, you have scratches and all those things. So I decided to get a pair of replacement lenses and these are the ones which I got. So how do you pop out the lenses which are already installed? What you need to do is you need to go this way. That is how you wear them and how you hold them when you're going to wear them. And we are going to grip on this side. So we're going to use our left hand to provide support to the frame over here, and then these two fingers again I'm going to place it on the frame and use the thumb to pop out the lens, and it is very easy. Bam, there it is. You can see how easily that old lens popped out, and we're going to do the same thing over here. Provide support to the frame using these two fingers and your thumb on the inside, and then for this side over here we're going to use these two fingers to provide support to the frame and push out using the thumb, and the lens should pop out pretty easily on this side as well. There it is, easy peasy. So this is how my frame looks right now without the lenses, and at this point this is the right time to clean the inside of your frame, that is the groove. If any dust is over there, you can use some rubbing alcohol to clean it out. So now it is time to install our new replacement lenses into the Oakley Frogskins. So we're going to take our replacement lens and we're going to pop the top part into the groove. So once we've done that, we are going to again support the frame using these two fingers on the inside and the thumb on the outside, and support the frame using these two fingers on the inside and use the thumb to push it into place. You should hear a quick snap, and you can do the same on all sides, and bam, there it is. You can see we've successfully installed this side of the replacement lens onto our Oakley Frogskins. And now we're going to follow the same process for the other side. So slide the top part into the groove, support the frame from the top and from the bottom using your fingers on the inside, and then all you have to do is try to pop it into place. And even though it might seem that the lens is going to break, but that is not the case, it will just slide into place. And bam, there it is. That is how you change the lenses on your Oakley Frogskins.